before you say anything, look at this video I just created using AI. Every scene, every character, every cinematic moment, all of it generated with free AI tools. No camera, no studio, no expensive software, nothing. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, step by step. Most people are using ChatGPT or Claude AI to write their prompts. And yes, those are great tools. But today I am bringing you something completely different, something most people have never even heard of, a tool called Super Intern. Super Intern is your always-on AI assistant. And here's the part that is going to blow your mind. It runs on Gemini and Nano Banana in the background, which means you can generate all your scene prompts and all your images in one single conversation. Then take everything straight into Google Flow to animate it into a full cinematic video, completely for free. Drop a like, comment "ready" down below, and hit that subscribe button, because by the time this video is over, you are going to thank me. Let's go. So the first thing you need to do is open your Chrome browser, or any browser you prefer, and search for Super Intern. You will see the first link appear. It says Super Intern, your always-on AI assistant. Click on it. After clicking, you will land on their homepage. You will see the tagline, "You are always on AI assistant." Now click Sign In. They will show you a few options. Continue with Google, continue with Outlook, or continue with Discord. You can also log in with your email and password. But the easiest and fastest way is continue with Google, because it creates your account instantly without any extra steps. After logging in, they walk you through a few quick setup steps. First is age verification. You just confirm that you are at least 16 years old and click Continue. Then they welcome you with a screen that says, "Welcome to Super Intern." Click Start Delegating. Now you will see a screen where you enter your name and choose your avatar. I typed Freddy as my name. You can put whatever you want. Choose your avatar, then click Continue. After that, they ask you to connect your calendar. You can connect your Google Calendar or your Outlook calendar. I went ahead and connected my Google Calendar. It is a simple one-click process. Just accept the terms they show and click Continue. After connecting your calendar, they give you the option to connect other accounts: Gmail, Outlook, X, Twitter, or LinkedIn. You can connect any of them you want, but if you just want to get started right now, go ahead and click Skip this step. They will then show you their available plans. You will also see an option to enter a referral code. If you use my referral link in the description or the pinned comment, you can get extra credits for free. So make sure you use that link when you sign up. For now, click Continue with Free Plan. They may also give you an option to connect your Telegram account. You can do that if you want, but for today, I'm going to use the web version. So I will skip that step. And that is it. You now have your Super Intern account set up. Here's something important. The moment you create your account, you get 300 free credits. You can use those credits to generate images, chat with the AI, or do anything else you need. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I used those credits to create the video you saw at the beginning. Now, this is the most important step, and this is where Super Intern completely changes everything. Instead of going back and forth between multiple tools trying to write your prompts one by one, you just have one conversation with Super Intern, and it gives you everything: image prompts, video prompts, character descriptions, all 6 scenes in one shot. Here's the exact message I wrote to Super Intern. Listen carefully, because this is the secret that made the whole video work. I want to create a 6-scene cinematic story about the 2026 World Cup where humans play against aliens. For each scene, generate one image prompt and one video prompt. Important. All 6 scenes must look like they belong to the same realistic movie. The human characters, alien characters, stadium, spacecraft, crowd, outfits, lighting, and overall visual style must remain exactly the same throughout every scene. Character consistency is extremely important. The same human faces must appear in every scene. The same alien faces must appear in every scene. No changes to facial features, age, body shape, hairstyle, skin texture, or identity. Human players must wear the exact same uniforms in every scene. Alien players must wear the exact same uniforms in every scene. The same 11 human players and the same 11 alien players must appear throughout the entire story. Environment consistency is extremely important. Use the exact same stadium in all scenes. Use the exact same spacecraft design in all scenes. Maintain the same cinematic realism, color grading, atmosphere, and visual quality. Every image must look like a frame from one continuous Hollywood-style film. The story begins with aliens descending from the sky while people watch in amazement. They arrive in a spacecraft and land in the stadium. The crowd cheers loudly. The aliens exit the spacecraft and form a football team of 11 players. The match begins. The humans defeat them 4-0. After the match, the aliens return to their spacecraft, angry and disappointed, and fly back into space. Generate 6 scenes in chronological order. For each scene, provide a detailed image and a matching video prompt. Ensure maximum visual consistency across all 6 scenes, so the images can later be turned into a seamless, realistic movie. After writing that, click Generate and just wait a moment. It does not take long at all. And now look at what Super Intern gives you. It has read the entire story, understood every character, every scene, every visual detail, and it has generated a complete image and a matching video prompt for all 6 scenes. Right there in one response. This is why I'm telling you, you do not need to use Claude or ChatGPT for this anymore. Super Intern handles everything in one conversation. It uses Gemini and Nano Banana in the background, and the results are incredible. Now scroll through the response and look at all 6 scene prompts. You will see scene 1, scene 2, all the way to scene 6, each with a detailed image and a detailed video prompt. This is everything you need to start generating your images and videos. Now, Super Intern is also going to generate the images for you right inside the chat. Watch as it creates the image for each scene. You will see the images appear one by one. This is scene 1. Look at how cinematic it is. Then scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, scene 5, and scene 6. All generated with the same visual style, the same characters, the same stadium. Once all 6 images are ready, you need to download each one. Click on each image and download it to your computer. After downloading all 6 images, go to your Downloads folder and rename every single one of them. Rename them as Image 1, Image 2, Image 3, all the way to Image 6. This is a small step, but it is going to save you a lot of confusion later when you start uploading them into Google Flow. Trust me on this one. Now we move to the most exciting part, animating every image into a cinematic video using Google Flow. Open your browser and go to Google Flow. Once you are inside, click on Video, then click Ingredients. Set your frame ratio to 16:9. For the number of videos to generate, select one for now, and for the model, select Gemini Flash. Gemini Flash costs only 15 credits for a 10-second video, which is very affordable and it gives you great quality. Now let's generate scene 1. Click the Upload button and select Image 1, the one you already renamed. After uploading, go back to your Super Intern chat, scroll down to scene 1, and copy the video prompt for that scene. Come back to Google Flow and paste that prompt into the input box. Then click Generate. It only takes a few seconds. And done. Your scene 1 video is ready. Click on it to preview it. Then click Download to save it. Now for scene 2, come back to Google Flow, click the upload area again, and select Image 2. Go back to Super Intern, copy the video prompt for scene 2, paste it in Google Flow, and click Generate. Done. Downloaded. Repeat this exact process for scene 3, scene 4, and scene 5. Upload the image, copy the video prompt from Super Intern, paste it in Google Flow, generate, and download. Now, here's something important I need to tell you. As you keep generating videos, you will notice that your Google Flow credits start going down. With one Google account, you can typically generate around 3 videos using Gemini Flash before the credits run low. But here's the secret, and this is something most people do not know. Use multiple email accounts. If one account runs out of credits, simply log out, create a new account with a different Gmail, and continue generating from there. If you have 5 email accounts, you can generate 15 or more videos per day. That is the secret to creating unlimited scenes without paying a single dollar. So for scene 6, I used a different Gmail account. Logged in fresh, uploaded image 6, copied the video prompt from Super Intern, pasted it in, clicked generate, downloaded the video. All 6 scene videos are now downloaded and ready. It is time to put them all together into one complete cinematic video. Open CapCut. It is completely free and it works perfectly for this. Once you're inside, select all 6 of your scene videos, then drag and drop them into your project timeline. Now arrange them in the correct order, scene 1 through scene 6. Trim any parts you do not want. Remove any unwanted gaps between scenes. Add background music if you want to make it feel even more cinematic. Add smooth transitions between scenes. Once everything is edited and looking clean, go ahead and play the full video from start to finish to review it. Make sure every scene flows naturally into the next one. And when you're happy with it, export your final video. It is ready to upload to YouTube. Let me play the full video right now so you can see the final result. Every scene I created, and that is everything for today. Let me quickly recap what we covered. We used Super Intern to generate all 6 detailed image prompts and video prompts in one single conversation, completely for free. We generated all 6 cinematic images directly inside Super Intern. We animated every image into a video using Google Flow with Gemini Flash. We used the multiple email account strategy to get unlimited credits, and we brought everything together in CapCut to create one complete cinematic video. Every single tool, every single step, 0 cost. If this video helped you, please hit subscribe, drop a like, and comment below telling me what story you are going to create. I genuinely read every single comment and I will personally reply to you. My name is Fred. I love you all. I will see you in the next one. Let's keep building.